Hi, this is Mrs. Pilkington, and this is my video on timelines. And it's important that we learn how to read timelines in 6th grade social studies, so we're aware of when these events happened. So to start with, and remember, everything that is on the dry erase board needs to be in your notebook. And you'll have the opportunity to watch this video twice in class, okay? So timelines. Timelines display dates in history. Timelines and math number lines are similar. So I want you to be thinking of the placement of 0 on a number line and the placement or significance of 0 on a timeline, okay? So here's 0. So right now we're in 2018. So if you can think 2018 years back, we would be at the date of 0. And at 0, this is considered Jesus's birth. So 0 is when Jesus was born. And even though not all of us celebrate Christianity, it was such a big part of government at that time. So that's how they ordered specific events. Before Christ would be BC, but nowadays we say before Common Era, because not everybody is Christians. We have to be sensitive to how other peoples and other cultures judge Jesus, where he might be important in our lives but not in others. So before Common Era is what we call the time before Jesus was born, and that's referred to as BCE. If you think of a math number line, think of the negative numbers that are on the left side of 0 or below 0 on a number line. So we might have heard, or we'll see some people use BC, but the correct terminology is BCE, which means before Common Era. On the opposite side of 0 is considered AD. And please excuse my spelling and my pronunciation, but AD stands for Anno Domini, which is year of our Lord. That's in Latin. But again, not everybody believes in Jesus. So nowadays we use the word Common Era, CE. So we're talking on the right side of the 0, we're talking about after Jesus' death. So when you think of the AD side, or we really should be using the CE side, that is like your positive numbers on a math number line, to make that comparison and connection to math. So when we look at the number line that I've created, it's simply a horizontal line with hash marks, but sometimes we might even see a number line vertical. So when you think of the time period that we'll be studying in social studies, 60 million years ago was the time of dinosaurs. But we're talking about 3 million years ago, and that's when there's evidence of the first humans in the world. So just to put in the comparison, 60 million years ago were dinosaurs, 3 million years ago were humans. So humans and dinosaurs weren't around at the same time, just to clarify. But all of ancient history, most of ancient history will start from the very beginning of the humans, and we'll go through the 5 major civilizations, and we'll make our way to the year of exploration. So these are the notes for timelines, and now you're going to be required to do an activity with the new knowledge that you learned. Thank you.